Create animated video with just a single prompt and with consistent character. Yes, watch this video.
Max, a puppy, plays joyfully. Luna, an orange-striped cat, watches Mac's antics from a sun-drenched windowsill with a look of regal disdain. A clash of personalities unfolds as Mac's boundless enthusiasm meets Luna's icy indifference, creating a humorous contrast. In the sun-drenched garden, a playful attempt at connection turns sour as Mac's slobbery offering is met with Luna's feline fury. Luna, in a display of feline disdain, rejects Mac's clumsy overture, ascending to the safety of a tree's high branches. Max's confused whine echoes in the serene garden, a poignant reminder of their initial inability to bridge the gap between species. In the storm-ravaged garden, Luna is trapped high on a swaying branch as rain and wind conspire against her.
Below, Mac's frantic barks and desperate pleas break through the storm's fury, his loyalty, a beacon in the chaos.
Amid the tempest, a ladder appears, a symbol of hope as the gardener ascends with steady resolve. Enveloped in the gardener's arms, Luna finds sanctuary, her fear melting into profound relief as a bond is forged in the storm. In the soft morning light, Luna presents Max with a shiny red ball, a silent invitation to play. The dusty ball, a symbol of reconciliation, sparks an explosion of pure, unadulterated joy in Max. As their initial animosity fades, a symphony of barks and wagging tails fills the air, signaling the start of a beautiful friendship. Beneath a sprawling oak, Max and Luna find solace in each other's company, their tails gently touching as they drift into peaceful slumber amid the fading sunset. As the day's last light
So you can
kisses the
get
horizon,
this video
the
done
gentle
in
touch
a
of their
single
tails
prompt,
weaves a
and
silent
this is
tale
for
of
free. You don't
newfound
have to
friendship
pay,
and mutual
and it
comfort.
comes without watermark. Picture is so clear. So let's dive in. So you go into your Google and you type Magic Light AI. So the AI will be using is Magic Light. So it has character. You can choose any character of your choice. Although today we'll not be talking more about character. So if you want a male character, you can pick a male character. If it's female character, you pick it. You have category as well. But don't let us go deep into this. Let's go to the video. So you go to your video and you create a prompt. Now you come up with your story. If you don't have a story, you can go to your chat GBT. Tell ChatGPT to generate any story for you. If you want a romantic story, kid story, then you copy the prompt that ChatGPT will generate for you and you paste it here. All that is needed here is for you to create a prompt. So if you don't have a story, you can copy a story from ChatGPT and you paste it. Then you make sure you select landscape because I'm using it on YouTube here. If you're using in other social network, you pick portraits for Facebook and TikTok. Then you pick duration, 1 minute. Look for the language. You can pick English. So you can select any languages of your choice. Pick any language. So let's select English. Then you go to style. You have different style here. So I go for 3D cartoon. Therefore, the style you can choose. So you can pick realistic, epic, or Disney. So let me go for 3D. So you pick any one of your choice. Then you click on next. Come with four step. So your content. So we are going to our cast now. Then before our storyboard. Then before the final one. So you wait a bit. It might take a bit. Don't take too long before you go to the next step. So please, if you are new, don't forget to subscribe. My name is Damisax. All right. So here is our story, professionally broken down into different scene. So you can see now this is so nice. Although you can edit it if you feel like you don't want some, you can remove and add more. So this is nice. You can add character or add cast. Yes, this is about cast. So let me add one cast to it. Can pick any young adult and just add a cast. Cast is about in the what was it called? During the video, just pick somebody to come in just to uh okay, so this is the gardener. So I pick a cast. The gardener will appear there too. So you can select this one if you feel like category, whether male or female. So pick any. So I think I'm okay with this cast. So if you want more cast, you add to it. I think I'm okay with this one. Okay. So click on next. So you go to our storyboard where those story will be in their scene. So you see how your story will look like. You can see now that's already generated it already. This area is just so unique. It can go as long as 30 minutes. Yes, you can see each of the scene now. Very bright without watermark. So each of the story in their picture. So if you like, you can edit it. If the words are too much, you can reduce it. You can summarize it as well. So this was generated into 15 scene. So your story can be up to 30 scene. It can go as long as 30 minutes. All right. So then you pick a voice as well. Pick any voice of your choice. So let me just leave it with this. All right. So I'm okay. I think I'm okay with this. Then and see how the picture look like with the scene. So there'll be a voice note coming under it. And if you want your own voice to be recorded, you can mute it and say the word that is going there as well. You can use your own voice if you don't want the voice. And if you want everything to be animated, you can pick any choice from here. Although some of these ones, if you want them to be animated, they will require you to pay. But you can do it without going through all this process. Alright, then you can select the header is style. If you want like a cover page, you want to title your movie something, uh but I will just leave it like this for now. So pick a voice. Okay, I think this one is for music now. This is music background. If you want any background below it to play, you pick any background song coming under it. Sometimes it can be so noisy. So but if you feel like looking for your own background song, you pick it and you use it. Okay. So I think this is nice. All right. So you pick anyone that you feel like is okay. Okay, let me just mute it so that I will use my. Let me just keep it safe. Okay. All right. So let's go. So let's see how the. I don't want any music. Okay. So no title. I'll give it my own title by myself. All right. So video size for YouTube. All right. So because it's a YouTube, so I pick 1619. So I wait for the video to generate. All right. So this is just so lovely. And you will see the outcome. All right. So please, when you're watching this, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like. And the name of this AI is Magic Light. Magic Light. So here comes the video. So you can see that's already generated. Okay. So you download. You can either download from the video or you download from the yellow button that you saw there. So
Luna,
here is the
an
video.
orange striped cat, watches Mac's antics from a sun drenched windowsill with a
I
look
think
of
I need
regal
something
disdain.
better. So you can go back again, you edit it, and can change the voice as well, and put something. Maybe you don't like the voice, just like that one. I don't think it's okay. So and all this re-editing to are for free. So you go back to your uh, video, then you check. You can see. All right. So you check. You go back to speaker, then you can change the voice. Pick any voice that you like. If the voice is too harsh, you can use another voice, or you do a voiceover directly, or probably you just change the voice maybe to something softer to suit the purpose of the video, to suit the scene. Some voices are harsh, so you look for a soft voice. All right, so let's look for a softer voice, and this is okay. So here comes our video.
Max, a puppy, plays joyfully.
Also, you can
Luna, an
decide to
orange striped
use
cat, watches
your
Mac's
own
antics
voice
from
if
a
you don't
sun
want
drenched
a proper
windowsill
voice.
with a look of regal disdain.
So
A
you
clash
can
of
try to create it
personalities
by
unfolds
using your
as
own
Mac's
voice.
boundless enthusiasm meets Luna's
Okay,
icy
so let me try my
indifference,
own voice and see.
creating a
Luna, a puppy, loved to play so joyfully, and his friend Max play quietly, even as he watches his friend with a disdain look. Both of them, with their differences, always play together. So one day, Max started avoiding Luna because of their differences, and he got stuck on the tree. His friend Luna cried for help, seeking who will save his friend. Suddenly, a gardener appeared and climbed the ladder and saved Max from the tree. Max was happy and thanked the gardener and also went back to his friend. Both of them hugged each other, played as good friends, and they laughed and they were happy. Both of them hugged each other and they became good friends again.